Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 4 times x plus 5 is less than or equal to 21. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To begin solving the inequality 4x plus 5 less than or equal to 21, the first step is to isolate the variable term on one side of the inequality. Here, we need to get rid of the plus 5 on the left side. To do this, we subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality. This step is essential to maintain the balance of the inequality, similar to how we balance an equation. So we subtract 5 from both sides. The inequality 4x plus 5 less than or equal to 21 becomes 4x plus 5 minus 5 less than or equal to 21 minus 5. Simplifying both sides, the plus 5 and minus 5 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with just 4x. On the right side, 21 minus 5 equals 16. Now the inequality is reduced to 4x less than or equal to 16. In interval notation, this first step has not yet provided the full solution, so we will wait until further simplification to write it properly. Next, we need to further isolate the variable x. In the current inequality, we have 4x less than or equal to 16. To isolate x, we need to undo the multiplication of x by 4. We do this by dividing both sides of the inequality by 4. This will maintain the integrity of the inequality, similar to how we solve equations. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us 4x divided by 4 less than or equal to 16 divided by 4. Simplifying this division, 4x divided by 4 leaves us with just x on the left side, and 16 divided by 4 equals 4 on the right side. So now the inequality is reduced to x less than or equal to 4. This is our final step and the solution to the inequality. In inequality notation, the solution is x less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, this is written as negative infinity to 4, inclusive of 4, represented with a square bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.